Sino ka dyan, sis? Lakas makaganda ng hair ko, oh. From dry and lifeless to fresh and glam, perfect na perfect. Dito lang yan sa Hair City Studio, located sa Suncrest Building 82 Eulogio Rodriguez, Quezon City, Libis. One-stop shop na to for nails, hair, and waxing. Ang ganda ng vibe, bar-type setup, malinis, malawak, at kahit buong barkada nyo mag-pamper, lahat ma-accommodate. Syempre, alam naman natin na kapag salon minsan tumatagal, lalo na kapag reband or treatment. Kaya plus point sa akin ang comfy restroom. What makes them stand out? 10 years trained experience ang mga stylist at ilang artista na rin ang nagawa nila. Plus, premium hair treatment ang gamit kaya worth every peso. At kung umabot ng 3,000 ang package mo, may 500 discount ka pa. And look, from super dry hair, ngayon smooth, shiny, and glam look na ulit. Hinayaan ko nga pala ang stylist pumili ng hair color and wow, hindi ako nabigo. Sobrang simple at lakas makayaman look talaga. This treatment was keratin with tone-to-tone hair color and grabe. Ngayon lang ako ulit na sobrang satisfied sa hair ko. Na-achieve nila yung look na gusto ko. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to, isave mo na to and follow me for more beauty records. So ayun lang, bye!